If we ask this question, where do I start in wealth creation? One of the places I'd recommend that you start is the meanings you give to all the facets of wealth creation. Because if it's not meaningful, in fact, worse than that, if it's meaningless, or if it is contradicting your meanings, your values, that'll undermine your wealth creation and it'll stop you. So the meaning of wealth, the meaning of money, the meaning of budgeting, the meaning of saving, the meaning of expending effort, the meaning of selling yourself, the meaning of marketing. So many meanings. What we discovered in neurosemantics about actualizing your highest dreams and values and visions and performing your best performances, which is what self-actualization is all about, is that it has to be meaningful. It has to be significant to you. So begin asking these questions. What does money mean to me? To make money, I'd have to do what? When I first began asking those questions of myself, I could hear my dad's voice in the back of my mind. What do you think? Money grows on trees? What do you think? If you become rich, if you become wealthy, you'd have to take advantage of people. And I realized that the very meanings I had about money, about finances, and about many other facets of finances, the meanings I gave were undermining me, were sabotaging my best efforts. So I had to give some new meanings to money. I decided that I would think of money as a sign of wealth, but not wealth. Money as a scorecard of just how I keep score and a way of exchanging value. So that as I gave it richer meanings, and as I realized that wealth is about value and valuing and appreciating and seeing what is really significant, then the meaningfulness of becoming a wealth creator allowed me now to step into that role and to begin a 10-year wealth creation process. One of the meanings I gave to money and wealth was it gives me stability, because otherwise I'd have financial instability and I'd just be worrying about money all the time, paying bills, going from check to check. So one of the meanings I gave to money was it gives me financial independence. I'm independent of money. I found the phrase in Robert Kiyosaki's work, do you work for money or does money work for you? And I realized I'd been working for money. I didn't want to work for money anymore. I wanted money to work for me so that I could get about doing the things of importance for me. To get started, what meanings do you give to some of these facets? Money, budgeting, being frugal when you first begin the wealth creation process. What do you give to saving? What do you give to working, to providing value for people? The meanings you give to it determine the states that you're in. And the states that you're in determine whether you're operating from abundance or scarcity. And so giving it great meaning. So the first place starts in your mind. Actually, wealth is created in the mind. Wealth is created by seeing opportunities and possibilities of solutions and solving problems. Wealth is a rich mind that can see the opportunities for adding value to people's lives. And so let's begin. I invite you to get to work on adding rich meanings to the meanings you give to all of these facets of wealth creation.